Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you have seen my other videos and you have seen these are the 15 by 14s that I got about 2 years ago. I had decided to at first put these on the 1995 Z71, and man, honestly, between not doing the straight axle and then you're dealing with the A-arms, I don't know. I already had the lift. Obviously I had the wheels. All I needed to order was the tires, and I ended up doing the bumper and all that other stuff. I decided to just go with a more stock look for the Z71. But now that I have this 1991 Jeep YJ, I've decided to do something a little bit different. So I have ordered. So today is Saturday. I ordered them yesterday. I have some 33 1250 R15s coming in for these, and I'm doing the Nitto Trail Grappler, and that's going to be going on the Jeep actually. Now this is a 6 by 5.5. The Jeep is a 5 by 4.5. So yes, I'm going to have to run an adapter. I understand that this isn't an ideal off-road wheel setup, but I won't be off-roading in these. This is more like, like a beach ride, because I stay near the beach. We have Cruising the Coast, Scraping the Coast, Orange Beach Invasion. We have a couple of different little truck shows and car show setups that I could actually mount these and ride up with them. But I have a set of 15 by 8s that I'm gonna put a set of 33s on for if I want to go trail riding, or we do have some parks here, some OHV parks. So I always will have a setup depending on what I'm doing and where I'm going. So this wheel right here, I'll kind of get you guys to get a better look at this wheel. You see the front. This is the width of that wheel. So that's almost the whole size of from my hand to my elbow, which is that's pretty wide. I've never seen that setup on a Jeep. And again, I'm running a 12.5 wide tire. This is a 14-inch wide wheel. So it's gonna be pretty interesting to see how that 33 mounts up on there. I've tried to watch a couple videos, and I have not truly been able to find a video I'd really like to use as a reference. The wheels were not dirty, but I did call a company called K&N. It's here locally. Pro 40 Perfection. This stuff is so good. When it says it cleans, polishes, and protects, these wheels had a little haze in them. And it definitely, if you can tell, this wheel looks super sharp. It is all aluminum, and this is a true billet wheel. Let me see. I'm gonna go get the billet cap, and you guys will be able to see. All right, I'm back. This is the billet cap. That is a true billet specialty, and it sits right in. But only problem is this actually has a gasket. If you can see that, this gasket has drawn in, which that's what rubber does. So when it gets dry, it pulls in. So it does not have a solid seal in the center. I would have loved to run the cap, but because I don't want anybody to drill, because it does have a screw right there. I don't want anyone to be drilling on these caps. So I think I'll just more than likely just leave them off. And on the Jeep, which is gonna have a very low setting profile on it anyway, I'm gonna run some spike lug nuts. You can hate them, you can love them. I don't really care. It's just a nice show setup. So again, be tuned. Again, this is Saturday. This is getting posted Saturday. These wheels, the tires will be here on Monday, latest Tuesday. We'll probably have them mounted by Thursday or Friday. So be looking out for the next video. I'll probably show how that tire looks beside it, and then also show you guys how the tire looks on that wheel. Again, check that width out, man. That's freaking crazy. So thanks for watching. Please stay tuned, like, comment, let me know what you guys think. Peace.